Now, Curly, you know people's children are off limits, but you are so desperate for 99's attention, you dare to have her son's name in your stinking mouth. So you won't mind me reminding you of your son, CJ, your prison bud son, your credit card thieving, drug using, unlawful citizen of America son. Listen, 99 says child is loved and well taken care of. He's smart, obedient, and a pleasure to be around. Nobody wants your jacket son around. The family is afraid to have CJ in their homes. He barely has a future. With his prison record, the only job he will get is selling baddie like you taught him. When was the last time you saw CJ and hugged him? But you waste your time policing people's weight when, at your old age, you should be worried about all your negative health challenges because of your morbid obesity. Lady, shut your mouth and leave God's people alone.
Come you say, worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry about Donna life. Stiddly bong bong. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry about Donna life. And them no have no life. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry about Donna life. And them no have no life. What's up against people, my family? What's up? Happy Tuesday morning. As you can see, this video I do from Monday evening. And I said, oh no, look, it's a very windy, sunny, and dry Monday evening. Yeah man, place dusty bad. I have to just wet up the front of the yard. I'm going to sit down here so left a minute to see me depend a shield, beer dust. Anyway, I don't know what to do. It is so easy to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Remember, please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. I remember now, run over to the website and support the merge. charmedandtrend.shop, and you can check out the Instagram business page, charms _and_trends on Instagram. Anything you see over there, get it customized, just drop it in the DM for further information, or go straight to the website and make your purchase. Mother's Day come. Please support the merge. Lend some support. That special day come of the year. Give me some support. We don't have a need and a reason to shop for something as a souvenir, as a gift. Because Mother's Day is coming. Remember, Father's Day, I recognize, you know. And everybody rush out and run out. When you look on the street, you see the amount of wears on Mother's Day. Father's Day, if you even remember some Mother's Day, when you hit the street, when you touch a week there before, you can see say something in the ear. When you check it, Mother's Day. Father's Day, you don't see that. So here we go on. I want to support the merchant. You have wine glass, wine cups, coffee cups, tumblers, all kind of things, and you can get to the mother picture upon it and her name. You know, just give her a nice special souvenir than the ordinary things one of that buy gear. Alright? And support my man. Charmsandtrend.shop. Visit the website. Before me get there, I remember the cash app is there, $ Charms and Trend. It's a time of the month when we give back, you know, a bag or two of grocery to the needy and not the greedy. It depends on, you know, how we have it. Sometimes we have to, if I want to put out here, money the win, Jesus, please. So now I'm going to listen up. I might have to talk louder when time the wind come up. But what about when me I play the video for dissect it? But anyway, you know, based on how people give me when I can buy my water, all people and snow mint are back. Yeah, snow mint is back after about 3 weeks. Yeah, you know, I take the gift and make up the gift with my little much so I can put on it and give you a bag or two based on where I can reach. So the cash app is the $ Charms and Trends. If you don't have any cash app or you're not on a Zelle, you can link me upon 876-221-9789. I will take it from there. Anyway, one last thing. In the video that I released yesterday morning about vanilla, normally I tell you I don't really play back my video them before I upload them and release them. But like when I release them now to the public, I release it like the first 5 minutes side, because you see, I don't know about nobody else, but me, you see when I get over the intro, me easy. Me just a flow so. Because I don't put nothing on paper, you know. But I just kind of get me intro in my head, and once me get over the intro, everything just start flow. So I kind of listen to the first one, and I realize that I keep saying naturalized citizen, vanilla. You understand? When she's a born American. And even when I wake up, I go sleep now and wake up and see the comment, I say, but no, not in the comment, but treat somebody WhatsApp me and say, correction. Nigga, to big up yourself. You're one of them. You know? Yeah, and this is what I love. When you people interact as a supporter. Because something can make a mistake and I not see it, you know. I remember when I make a mistake, it's simple. Simply say, yes man, stand corrected. So, me realize it after I read this video and I play it, and then I wake up and see a few people really understand and see what did I go on in the video when I say that. So stand corrected, not naturalized citizen, but born American. That's vanilla. Alright. Anyway, people, Big Sunday and Curly say she go to church. Whether she come from church and I watch the Dead Live, or she dey at church and watch Donna, me no know. Because, you know, every day them compete with the woman, and I say the woman not in a competition with them, and them not in a class to compare, to compete. And this woman just be her natural self. Whether she want buy the dress $50, $20, $5, if she buy cheap, she not come out and come make it look like it's expensive, or she tell nobody so she pay X amount for it, unlike them. And them don't realize that is the difference with Donna. You understand? If I $5 she buy the dress, just like myself, you know. If me go out there, I like one slippers, you know. Alright, as me telling you every day, see that? 1 stripe, 2 stripe, 3 stripe. Adidas a sergeant, it stop at 3 stripe. And see that 4 stripe this go. So this is not Adidas. This is a knockoff, this is a fake. You understand? But what at this me love? I have tried the Adidas and it's uncomfortable. The one with the juki part in it and the one that does flat like this. And they are uncomfortable to me. And these are what comfortable to me, so I continue to buy these. You understand? I don't like me can't buy Adidas, me can't buy Puma, me can't buy Nike, me can't buy anything. But it's what comfortable. At the same time, it's not the price. It's what you like. And if you like it and see it feel look good upon you, me not busy if it look good to you. One look good upon to me, upon me. And you are buy give me. And if you are buy give me and you want it look good to you and not to me, you can't keep it. And this is where them not understand. So Donna is not the type of person like them who come out here and brag and boast and to suit people. She suit herself. If she want to just value $1,000 she can buy it. And she want to just value $5 and she see it and she like it, she's going to buy it. And that's how it's supposed to go. You not buy things to come show off and people say you pay how much money for it or when you buy it cheap. Marcia come out here and cuss the woman and her son about how them attire going to church. You understand? And at one stage I make herself being an ass. This one prove to you say you can't do without call Donna name. Because in the video you say you see the dress them at Burlington. And you have a few just that the V-neck one you have, not the one the full neck one. And at the end of the video, you question which part she get the dress there from. And you say you see it in a Burlington and you have a few, but the V-neck one you have. So how the hell you go ask which part she get the dress from? So you only just come out here and do these things for content and it is obvious. You understand? The week I come to an end for the April pay bill of YouTube, because at the end of this month, you know, whatever you earn of the next month pay bill. So basically she look like she's behind. So what she had to do now is try to get Pandana name to build up the last week. Yeah. I must not, because you know I make no sense to what you say. People, remember the place win this, so I want to listen up, you know. I want to open the video and I can't hear the audio. You come out and cuss the woman and her son for what reason? She not busy what you want to wear, go to church.
Still I come and bullshit. When that even post my page go, then come on and tell me which part me buy me from. Me want to know which part, if I want to place on them front there, say, oh, come on. But not, it's only killers. dress on such and such a platform for $16. I'm like, really? So even if you pay $16 Peter or $5, it look raw good for me. They make it look like it costs 500. You're too bad mind and grateful. Go and put it on and let me see.
You hear what she said? Only jealous people would come on social media. Come on them page. And Donna she talking, somebody must go in her comment and talk about people dress and how much it value. And this is what she do every day. Presently in this video, that's what she's doing to Donna. But here still, somebody go in the comment and say what them say. And she I go say, a jealous people do them something. So what you call yourself?
Go and go buy it. Go and go buy it. I'm up down. You can see for that. Go and go buy it. I'm coming on the house. Come show me the receipt. Which one we pay that for? Come.
If more than one store sell it, the price range not far. Whereas you're not buying no original for purpose. People have to talk and cuss you about buying cheap things. For you take show off. To please the people them and go buy something there. Because of the whole cussing of the cheap glasses and the goggles and the welding thing when me I cuss you about, you know. And the people them start pressure upon the big glass sitting, you know, make you run go buy glass value 500 and 600 to prove to us. When at the end of the day, that 500 and 600 where you take buy glass could have do a lot more for you. Because you're in desperate need of a lot more things that is more essential. You continue to buy these whole heap of clothes because you have to be disposing of your clothes. Where the whole heap of washing where they do there? Why do they boast all? As me take off something, me throw it in the machine and me wash. All of that stop. Them take that privilege from you. So you're going back to square one where you have to be come here. You tell your man in one video when me gonna do later for the evening video. You and him the restaurant if him going to take your dress to the cleaners. And you want to go to the cleaners because you have a few things to take to the cleaners. So when me want to know, you stop wash on a daily basis now. Them restrict you from using the machine because you don't use it too often. So you're going back to disposable clothes. So you have to be shopping day in, day out because every break you get and collect money, you have to go shop. And you don't have no if you put the clothes them. Everything throw down in your van back. Look at it. You keep a party and you have some liquor left over. And you say you have your apartment. And this week, you're off for the weekend. I say you go to your man or something. So, what about your apartment? Couldn't you take those liquors to your apartment? You take them to what? Storage. So, the storage becomes your house. It's just that you don't sleep and you don't park there. That's all. You don't shower there and you don't sleep there. But at your storage, everything what you have are there. But you still have an apartment. Why do you have an apartment locked up for 3-4 weeks? And you keep buying stuff. And they are not going at your apartment, they are going at the storage. Things that can go to your apartment, like your clothes and sitting with you down there, your van and you carry them go to storage when you're tired of them there. Eh? Them money where you take to prove to people on social media could have do far more for you. There's some boy like you have it, but you're not having it.
But I look cursed. That's all my days to come on social media. Go chat people. Who don't need to go to church? Not even church you go to. Compared to me, and compared to 99. Look at 99 we got to church yesterday for somebody who come from foreign. 99. And what kind of cheap frat that you put on? And what kind of Humpty Dumpty frat that you put on?
Is what you like.
They know how you dress Joshy if you go to church so. Like say Joshy go on the road. They know how make Joshy get so big and fat. Look on the ass belly in front of Joshy belly. See a little boy like that. Come here 99. Come here Donna. No blood clot at 99. And what kind of Burlington cheap frat that? Well, in time when I did talk about my frat cheap, when I talk about Donna $16, $15, $12.99, $16 frat which you buy a Burlington. Or down where you call it? Down by
Alright, on the ear. Rainbow Burlington because she see them. But further down the she got a question where she get that frack from. Or where them the frack they come from. She also claimed that she have them in V-neck. But she a question where Donna get them from. Earlier I said, you go say a $15 and $16 frack. If it is $15 and $16 Donna pay for it, she's not going to come out here and pretend like she pay $16,000 or $15,000. Unlike you, that's what you do. Until the people them go and search and find the clothes and expose the price. Then you come and you say, I the knockoff one them that you buy your one down at the brand store. You understand? But you still can't see when you buy it on the receipt. You so quick you come and you show with the glasses because that glasses was bought for the price that you say. All the dresses that you bought and said that you pay XYZ for them. How didn't you come and show us the receipt and go back to the store and do what you do? Because there wasn't bought at the price that you're saying. And this is the difference between you and Donna. Donna wear cheap things, she's not afraid to say cheap. She buy dear things, you wanna see say dear. She take one to shopping with her. So when you come with comparison to a woman we expose where she are exposing on social media. Come on. Come with things where you go find out where she never exposed. You can't come with things that expose things and like it's a win-win situation for one when you don't expose it when she already exposed it. Cause whether she come out and she show this dress say she buy it today and she put it on and she never expose say she buy it and Uno see it, come on, it's nothing. Because it's not like she pretend like Uno that, oh, she don't wear $15 dress and she don't wear cheap things. All $5 shirt Donna tell us she wear. So that's the difference. It can't look bad pan her. But unlike you, it go look bad.
Why I could not compare on the frack to the rich man? Look at the rich man. When me wear yesterday go to church, you know. My glass when me I cut my face at $5.50. You understand? My shoes when me about $100.
That's what you're living for.
Yeah, careful.
That's what you're living for.
Everything.
And your living is not for we.
The necklace.
That's what you're living for. And your living is not for we.
So rich people versus the poor people. Look what the poor girl, the homeless girl.
Here, I'll pull out an idea, people. You just said tomorrow. That's not work today. Tomorrow, she'll be our day. I will say she'll come tomorrow.
Compared to richness. Tell the truth. Give me a thumbs up for that or some art if you have to have the truth. Right?
Marcia, that's the difference between you as a non-progressive person to a progressive person. Priority is what comes first. When you go out there, you see the rich man, them and the big name man, them ordinary until occasions. Them not have to come out here come buy no happiness. Them not have to come out here come, you know, prove to nobody say them happy. I buy happiness in a Marcia. And that's why your friend Tina say you're glowing up. Because to you buy the happiness, you look like you're happy. But deep down in you, it's very fiery. She herself know that, you know. You think she don't know? She damn well know that you are unhappy. So you have to go out there every day and buy your happiness. Your happiness sell a shop. But happiness is something coming within yourself. You don't buy happiness. Happiness come within you. I buy Tina, I buy Marcia, I buy happiness Tina. So when you come out and talk about she a glow up, she have to spend a lot of money on her happiness. If your happiness coming like the people that wear bleach. You understand? Them have to buy cream to keep them color because it's not a real natural color. So at that Marcia to buy happiness. She have to go to store go buy all kind of fandangles and costume and clown suit and all kind of something to bring up and pop up herself. You understand? To make she look like she happy. But she's not happy and you know that. That's why I know you're a hypocrite. What if it is make to teach you, it make you look happy to Tina? You got church in Maglino. Because you want to look outstanding, because me say you have to try to look the best, because you're not the best. So you have to pretend to be the best. Because you can ask someone if she can wear that church at Jamaica. What's the difference? Eh? It don't matter what you wear at church. You wear what you feel like and what you want to. You don't want to know you're just appropriate. Simple as that.
Now, for Jamaica people with big titty here,
They said the woman that a Sunday, they said the woman got church, you know. And Donna got church, you know, but she watch out everything for Donna. And Donna not show you no knowing where she watch you we got church. But you have to watch you we got church.
You ever saw me that Jamaica got church? Well, and the mother close up here? By website, you fat man? No, man. I never talk about me. No, stop. The rich people.
I'm sorry, when you eat the fritters, you come bite your tongue. When you eat the fritters, piece of your tongue should have slick off.
When you got it, I said that church?
So you come out for the woman pick me.
That they sure they can't even fit him.
And people come out and now for row me. You have some nasty people in a phone are coming and you come in and I tell you about them, you know, them surprise of you and they wasn't looking and expecting that of you. You and your healthy food? You know where Romy and yam? You know what Romy and yam mean? Eh? You don't know. Because not one day in your life for the past probably 6 months you give Romy some attention. As your grandson, your beloved one and only grandson. You know where man am? But you come and criticize the next woman pick me where man am. We're who far better off and comfortable than you and probably Romy. CJ. Because you see, very rare you have something in your genes and it not pass on. Very rare. So you are worried about Joshy and you're not worrying about Romy. When Romy should be the one that you have interest in. When last you come and here and show us Romy in your present? When last? Eh? When last? When last you even take a drive? You drive from Massachusetts or where to one name if you go to New York, if you go take Dicky and drive back from there to work. But you don't see it fit to drive from there to go to Carolina, north, west, south or whatsoever Carolina. Or which part your grandpitney there if you go look for him. But you can't drive from one state to the next state if you go take Dicky. And your beloved grandson, what you love so much, but you come and criticize our next woman's son. The woman rich is a bad of the whole hour, no? You don't establish how the woman rich more than she even talk about it. You don't establish the woman wealth more than she talk about her wealth.
Every dinner evening time and box food. Little boy get too big and read foreign it. And you already have obesity in your family. Make a little boy run up and down.
It just come back to what me I say. She a talk about in the genes now. She don't have obesity in her family. So basically it will pass on to Joshy and she because her, from what she say to her auntie or Ray don't must pass off from diabetes. It's just like how you have stagnancy, carelessness and non-progressiveness in your blood. So it can pass on to your next generation, which is your grandkids. It pass on to your son and from your son to your grandkids. Stagnancy, jealousy, bad mind, covetousness. So you have to more worry about your grandson instead of worrying about the next woman's son. You care about people all the while and don't care about yourself and your family. What about your well-being and your grandchild well-being? You ever ask CJ what him giving this child to eat for the week? What kind of diet him have Romy on? You ever call Romy mother and ask her what kind of diet she have, man? And see if she can afford a proper diet and contribute to it? No. But you take your man for dicky and you give him food because give you dicky. Me say the video I'm gonna get later on go on here. Because Marcia admits say right on camera right now. She exposed the man of eating her buff. Yes, she exposed the man of eating her buff, but that is in the video later. You stay tuned for it. Stay tuned for it. The man eat Marcia buff for dessert.
For the computer and the laptop them. Who are big specs?
Nobody will tell you to take Romy off for the golf club from 9 months. Romy we have played golf for him in 9 months. Somebody tell us to put him on the golf club. Lord, woman and I repeat me.
You're rich. Get one little trainer weekend time to carry him. Go do a little exercise.
You need one for yourself.
Computer, laptop and phone. By time, if you come afar and you can't hold in a plane.
If you can't hold in a plane, why look at Joshy can't hold in a plane? And you can't hold in a plane.
Make them come cross me.
And that you want. Or the attention you want, you know.
Well, in 2020, when I was in Jamaica for 3 months, I hired a trainer. And he come after him as a school teacher and a gym teacher. A personal fitness trainer from up in a Beverly Hills there.
Always want to feel rich, you know. Or feel like she have it. You hear she say? He's from Beverly Hills.
3 times a week he come train me for the 3
He
months.
couldn't come from one normal community. She choose a rich community.
And then walk up a Brayton Hill. He not even know say me could make it up there. When he tell him say make you, say Marcia, you go to Brayton Hill after exercise? I said yes. He said no, you could. Because me have people when Marga and them not fit like you.
I see you walk less than 100 meters. Less than 100 meters and I blow like a hog. And you go up Brayton Hill after just done do gym work. You go up Brayton Hill. People, me can't tell us a lie, Marcia tell. And just as she said, the gym instructor asked her if there is a gym instructor, a physical trainer, but probably she know this herself, say you cannot do that and then go up the hill. You cannot do that. Not say you cannot do it, you know, but she in a fair condition 5 years ago can't do that. Because she said 2020. Cannot do that. People, Brayton Hill is one normal hill, you know. For run up on, you know. Brayton Hill where people left from Kingston go run up. Brayton Hill which part you have a lot of football team when them do them physical training, them go run up. So only just look back on Marcia 5 years ago, because she said 2020. Not even 5 years, 4 years. Because this year just start, so call it 4 years ago. Look on Marcia. Just coming out at some gym work, according to she now, we are coach she now. And you are going to run up Brayton Hill. How much you know over here live at Portmore and know Brayton Hill? Where people used to go exercise, man. You don't believe that Marcia can come out at gym work and then go run up the hill as well. She said the trainer asked her, the trainer couldn't believe. Marcia, you just tell a lie. You love come tell people a pathological liar. Why me I tell you no dangerous. Things that people know no can't do, no come out here, come sound no do. Who lie, man?
And I go up Brayton Hill over Portmore. And it's not an easy hill to walk. I put the 2 times and I back up there.
You just tell a story, you have to back up yourself like, oh yeah. Where? You tell people when I know Brayton Hill that.
There were police reported ahead.
Foreigner come from church, I went cheap from the church.
Police reported that head, and Massachusetts she head queen of people. Come like, that's how she work. Massachusetts. I'll wait one name.
You now work with Curve by Tina no more. How's such a name?
Lord
when
God.
When used to dress her name Curve by something. When that woman they used to dress her name Curve by Tina. But if I saw the woman name, it used to look better. You better make me not hear advertise that girl anymore. And she have dressed with you. Remember that woman they used to dress her first when she first came in a couple years ago? The woman named Curve by something, I'm done. It look like the woman dressed them too expensive, so she said cheapness now, so she buy cheapness. That they dress a lot of time would buy you. That they dress them look like a the woman they buy HBO in the old time show. You have to make Marcia be a stylist, you know, stand good. And let me tell you something. That piece of area for head.
What she just said a while ago? Donna have to go make Marcia be her stylist. And no, Donna would look like Ritual because you know why she look better than you. And if you are gonna be Donna stylist, me know you're gonna dress her worse than you. Because you know why she be better than you at no time, in no way. And one thing I can tell you, for the past 2 years, every occasion that Donna put on clothes, you come out here and you criticize her clothes, you criticize how it fit her, how her clothes look, and this and Tara not. For the past 2 years, I put it there. And for that past 2 years, there is no occasion that you say you properly dress and attire. Me see you look like nobody. But yet still, you find the time to criticize not just Donna, but people who present themselves at any little function or anything she keep. And over that 2 years, I have not seen you dressed in any outstanding way. There is so much critiques. When you address, you see when you address, if in a yard, if you go around in your van, you look better than when you put on your clothes to go out. What me say? When you address, if in your van and driving around, you look better than when you claim to say you dress up to go out. Me, I tell you that. I'll know for 2 years, Curly, me no see. Adjusting them, I can say, yes, she look well. Not one. So how you become just Donna? I probably show you want to look at you. Just a worse than you, as me say.
It don't do you no justice. It just make your face bigger. Yeah, okay.
I don't know where you buy Marcia and wear fit you, or it not fit you, it fit you. You no matter when nobody wants to say. So I don't know how you want to come tell people how to dress. When nobody can tell you what to wear and what fit you. If it fit you, it's okay with you.
Them the ear too big for Jamaica. Them left them ear for fire.
I lie.
I left their ear to Marcia, they don't fit you.
I lie.
Them make you look like a blowfish. Let's be here.
Look how you come out and come criticize the woman just our last party and the one before. And look how you come out and come wear cheap dress.
You now got the uptown first. And in a close all the way.
Cheap dress you come out and come wearing after you cuss the woman dress, you know. Where I think about 2 of them or 1 of them are designer make it. And your designer just what you talk about, you couldn't able to wear it come at your party. You leave it to wear come at next man party, and now when the next man party will come, you have to go and buy a next dress with your liar self. But you have designer make clothes. Where?
You must say I walk with a big Ross fan.
Worry them and worry them and worry them and worry about Donna life. And them no have no life. Worry them and worry them and worry them and worry about Donna life. And them no have no life. Donna life is a life where these people take interest in. And when you check them out, most of them they are foreign. And them not have nothing back a yard. But worry them and worry them and worry them and worry about not life.
We have some of them dressed there. But me buy with V-cut. A half the shoulder. So take it to a dressmaker.
Here, have some of them dressed there, but you buy the V-cut and half the shoulder. Then they're Burlington and one next place, so she call Rainbow. I don't know hear further down, she a question where the woman get them the dress there from. But here still she have some, you know, and she know what them say.
Cut off the sleeve and drop it down. Drop it down to a shoulder, so. Cut off the long sleeve and make it just like use the material and fold it up. And make one little puffy sleeve right there, so.
Boy, he's a great designer for people, but you can't design for yourself. He's a great dresser for other people, but you can't dress yourself. Funny it is. How funny it is. You can dress someone. You can see, you can vision how someone would look into a dress. Looking like this, looking like that. how someone a dress would fit someone who shape that way, the shape that way there. But at the same time, you were not even a compass can't help. You don't know compass, so you used to put the pencil in and put on the pointy part and you spin it to draw the circle and make sure the circle draw proper and straight. Not even that can't help Marcia. But she know overdress people and she can't dress herself. I think you'd knock people off their feet at your party. With some real, you know, if it's even one, not one of your dress was off the hook. The burial looking one at your last burial, the purple one that match your cake, those dress was even better off than this term. Yeah. And there was nothing like, you know, to wow nobody about, but they were better than this time. You know what people sit out of the 31,000 people that streamed you on HBO and TNT, that pay for their subscription to stream you, that you benefit from the stream. 31,000 and counting. I don't know how much it reach. We're sitting and waiting on that dress. And your excuse is, you know the party wasn't going to be like that. And you couldn't wear that dress because there is no crowd. You understand? So you're saving the dress for Ricky Genius party. But now you're running around looking at cheap dress to buy. Remember, your statement was, are you not go for the dress? And the reason why you not go for it because you never go wear it because whatsoever. So the dress supposed to be a finished dress. You reserve it for Ricky Genius party. So oh no, all of a sudden you're running up and down to get a dress to wear to Ricky Genius party. To buy a dress to go to Ricky Genius party. Where is your designer dress? You saw just life in nothing at all. And this is it. That's why you cannot compare with Donna. Donna be herself. Donna don't try to be nobody. Donna don't try to suit you, suit me, or suit nobody. She suit herself. And hope that when she come out on like it, don't like it. If you don't like it, you just don't like it from she like it. If it is cheap, it is cheap. Donna, where you get that? People in the comment, Donna, me like your blouse. You know, say I don't at Princess Street, me a pass what you me and Tina and Paula, me look up in the eyes, me see it hang up in there, me say, you know, so me like that dress there. And me like that t-shirt there. And me go in there, me ask it, them say $400 for it, $1,000 for 3. And me just buy 3. One for me, one for Paula, and one for Tina. And like you wanna do that. You da come out here, come maggle it and push up your chest. You know, push up your dog chest. All in one chest and belly. And go on like say, yes, expensive things you have on until the people them identify it somewhere for $1.99. First price $1.99 and it dropped to sale now for 50 cents, which is what? That would be what? Half a dollar. So that's the difference between you and Donna. You try to be someone who you are not. She be herself.
We can't wear yourself a nice color necklace. But that interested already? I don't feel just that. I miss you have all go flat boot. That not go with the frock. That not go with the frock at all. You better wear one slippers. That the shoes there.
You don't want to tell people what to wear and what make them comfortable. The woman wear what makes she feels comfortable, not what you want her to wear. You see? You see? It's all about comparison. Just trying to compare ourselves. Nobody don't have time for vex. People just go listen to you. How you sound. People just identify the person you is. And what he is all about and what you come about. Everybody know and see. That's all you have to do, expose yourself more and more. Who you is. You tell people about eat and how them eat. Cause you want to see she eat one piece of sausage, that's how she clap her mouth. Me I name one man right now. I don't know much how to know a man. I want them to see them. I don't know if I'm a memorial. And them say, remember the great Lee Scratch Perry. How much how to know Lee Scratch Perry? Lee Scratch Perry a millionaire. Millionaire. And them man they even think about money. Because them man they worship certain things. And when you say Lee Scratch Perry, nobody knows. Say, if you don't see man knows Lee Scratch Perry that, you don't know them man they value. Them man they look like a madman when you see them. Them man they even talk like them because I know them type of man they, you know, for them thinking in a life is different certain way. And that's why them don't worship certain things. And them man they're millionaire. And there's so many others out here who have real money. Real money. No one like a 1, 2, 3, 4, $5 million and say a millionaire. Real money. We all within past 10 years from now who are benefit and inherit it can't done it, no cure them worthless and careless like you. And when you look upon them, you can't know that. Because that is not what they're here for. You know, to come out here and show off and brag and them know what them have, them know them worth. So them don't have to come out here and prove anything to anybody. If you want to prove, come match with me. When I say, if you want to prove what me worth and what me have, come and match with me. Don't expect I am going to come out here, come explain what I have, show what I have, show what I can do from what I can't do. No, if you want to match with me, come and prove to me. And some man even in that, you could have talked to the thy kingdom come. Him now look upon you, him broke paparazzi, him now have nothing. Yes. There's so many other people know otherwise. You understand? And him know what him worth. Like I only know, you have to prove to people because you don't have it. So you have to prove to people. Just like you know you look good. You come every day and talk about your caca eye like how you go talk down like say people call it caca eye and it's a 3D camera and your ophthalmologist tell you say it's YouTube video. What is YouTube video? Eh? So oh my eye now show my eye caca eye. Oh it now show nobody else eye caca eye. Eh? And the camera make your eye look like when you look so, it look so, and when you look so, it so it now make nobody else look so or look so. Because there's a problem and a fault with your eyes. And this is how you stay on a feel to accept the natural thing that people is seeing. So judge the things that we not see and we just assume or based on the behavior, you know, we analyze you know, and assume say a XYZ where we don't have no proof of. Just imagine. Because if we can see the thing naturally with our eye, I don't want to tell we different. Ophthalmologists tell us it's a camera, YouTube camera, 3D. Everything 3D, 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 3D. Blaming it on 3D for your faulty look. Then you come and judge about how much of the family blind, how much of the family is. It's not about blind. It's about how you come out here and make it look like you're one of the best looking women out here. When I don't see you in the top 20 out here. Because you have so much fault. You understand? You're the best dresser out here. And I don't see it. Yes, when you put on a little colored cheap something them like Kachu is a clown. You know, a clown always colorful. Yes, it kind of bring you up our way. But as me say, it's only when you're home and wearing these cheap floral sitting and color sitting and the whole of makeup and the little fall plastic with them catch all boat and catch all boat by your head and the whole of makeup and then now people see you, you feel like you look good. But when it come on to you on occasion to put on clothes, I can't see it. I have not seen something where I can say in 2 years where you criticize this woman and I can say yes, she come out in another one. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes, man, she finds something where can hide the shape. She finds something where can hide the belly. She finds something where can hide the little fine foot them down here. So, yes, that one you work. Ah, no, me can't see that.
What she need to do? She need to cut off her whole head. Jamaican people say head, we mean ear. Her ear need to cut off. All of it. I turn it into ball and color it. In a one bird.
And then you come and say, are you sure for a cut off ear? Then you come and say, are you sure for a cut off ear? Because your ear cut off. That's why she do it please her and not please Uno.
I do some little finger wave. Them big hairstyle of it her. I mean she follow with a big hairstyle. You can't follow me by being a big hairstyle. Because when I first met you, I didn't piece of Catalina to your head side. Them the hairstyle of it. I don't know who said in them. You need to stick to straight ear. Straight ear, bob. Straight ear will cut you right just up.
Marcia, you worry about the wrong thing.
Them the ear there, them the fluffy ears.
You worry about something where Donna now worry about. You are worry about the wrong thing.
A flash head. I want to fly behind head. Bees.
You are worry about the wrong thing. Substance over hype, Marcia. Substance over hype. And that you have to worry about.
I don't know how bees the fly and they go make honey. Because I don't know how you sit down in a hand and chip on. When you torture yourself because you don't look good. And if you are wearing them in the ear then, you have to put on the makeup.
She go say then Donna attach herself. The video will now get later in the evening. The girl sit down in a restaurant and she had name food and a piece of salmon's left. She can't take in no more because the girl glass squeeze her. Because it's like she would wear size 20 gurgle and she buy a size 18. So by the time she girt it, no space no left in the belly if you take no food, but she gonna eat dinner. Can't eat half a salmons. Hey, you know what, I don't want to talk about that video there because I don't want to miss that video. I'm going to allow that video there. Come on, look more naive.
You can't come from Jamaica. You can't come from big platform, big movie, big star like you. With black hair.
Are you the star? Tyler Perry never sent call her yet. Are you the star? She don't need it. You need it. To patch out your ugliness. You need makeup to patch out your ugliness. And I don't need that.
My face is so pretty already. Not even 2 little beam lotion drop. Little tiny bit. We just use the brush and brush over my face. Yep. Man, we must represent. Come on social media. Me never tell me small fries. The machine me go over. We talk about what we see yesterday.
We know you look at pay bill for next month. Easter, you want Easter, you have a good pay bill.
And criticize what me see. They criticize me, they criticize the master. Check the beam out of your master, yeah, before they go take you out of mine.
The master, okay.
On social media talk about if man want me with the caca eye them. This a caca eye here and give you a run for the money. Ask you. Them eyes who not talk about. Who not luckier than me. Not even who not with no straight eye. And whenever who no eye twist to the left and twist to the right. Who not don't the man they will call to me don't call to you now. Me not ask you now. Who not can't
Marcia, me I can tell you this honestly. As a man, a whole lot of time I see woman out there. And I jeer them when I see them and call them. Boy baby you look good. Me like how you look, your clothes fit you good, you look neat. Yeah, it's sit down upon you like them make it like tire upon rim. I criticize her. Because when she in and look good. You understand? So when you go out there man see you because them want you feel like you look good. But I tell you say you don't look good. But them don't just come that brawling and tell you. Them not come that brawling and tell you. So when you feel like say, I tell people I tell you say you look good. No. So no run with that and feel like say all the time people see and say you look good, you look good. I jeer people, I jeer you enough time. I have done that so many times. Sometimes you see how someone a pass, them no look in the face and you say boy baby me like how you look good enough. Yeah.
And whatever me get from last week you last me for a long time. So So when I wake up this morning and I must see almost going towards the first, I want to broke the blood clot. And tomorrow morning my bank account deposit my check. I want to chat me. Want to chat me. Want to can't chat me. So when they talk about the cocker eye have a man who love the cocker eye. I mean, know say when you look on social media and say when you're ugly. You want to deal with it now. Be nice, tall, 6'4", 34 waist, man, and 32 length. Man, yes, Mr. One.
All the video if it come, when you hear she always talk about she not deal with Marga, man, and she not deal with this. I want to hear she just say it a while ago, the size. A man we're 34. Alright, me move from 34 to 36. Right? Because I eat a lot at night. And drink a lot of water and something at night. So, my belly kind of, you know, like me I drink rum. But me not drink alcohol. And the late night eating cause it. So, me have to move on from 34 waist to 36. Right? I want to see me how me look. She said she not deal with Marga, man. But in the video, she a tell you say that the evening video when you go see our man nice and mark and slim and trim. We slim and trim man we 34 waist. But all along she a boast our man she not take Marga man, you know. But in another video she said the man Marga. Hey, me say I whole heap of lie pop out in the video there, so you know wait till later. But the main thing, right in front of the man, she tell our supporters them say the man beat her buff.
If your man step me, he's to come to me. But I ask you.
The man a real puppet show make this girl that just on social media using the content.
And if me I wanna go out and me I wanna a conversation arose, come up, me a beat to in a conversation and joke. Wanna care give conversation like me.
You're full of yourself too much. You're not gonna worry with it.
Anywhere I go.
No
so
achievements from your fooling of yourself.
Only thing I can cuss about Cass, right? Then come fix it. Come fix it. If that is hindering me from driving, or that is hindering me from living my life, and take what I want.
Marcia, I know only your caca eye, Marcia. You want to go on the Sparks program in Jamaica. You know what is the Sparks program? Google what is Sparks program in Jamaica. I want me to tell you what is the Sparks program. The Sparks program in Jamaica is where them rebuild the road them. Refurbish the road them. The road them with the whole pothole and them something there. Yeah, how much $1 billion them a spend to do them things there. Them call it the Sparks program. Where MPs get a lot amount of sum to fix certain road that him see fit that need desperate attention. And that's what you need. You need a human Sparks program because you need desperate attention. There is so much part of you want attention right now. You need a human Sparks program to sort out all your needs and faults you have. Remember.
Then come and fix it then. Come and fix it. If that is hindering me from coming up here and trace off on the bumper clot, come and fix it. What about the people who can't see? What about the people who can't walk? What about the people who are bound in a wheelchair? Someone who don't have a husband and a wife bound in a wheelchair, you know?
That's how you go around. You all go around and twist things. That's how you all go around and twist things, you know. This is not about who blind, who in a wheelchair, who not in a wheelchair, who can't walk, who lay down and can't move, and bedridden and bed sore. It's not about that. It's about Marcia Clowney Campbell coming out here, behaving like she's all perfect. She's the best dresser, best looker. Everything she put on fit her and she's okay. She criticizes everybody, body shaming and everything, and she has so much fault. Marcia favor a Z with part type missing. The letter in the alphabet, the Z, that's how Marcia look. And Peace are still missing. And she feel like she's the best.
Them in a love fear walking right now, but them business up and down. I have a lot of relatives blind and can't see. Mama blind.
It's not about blind, Marcia. You just make it look like you're perfect and you're not.
Unless me want to find later. I don't map 2020 vision in my eye.
Marcia, I could say it again. And there's a lot of people who know this and realize it. And who never realize with me and probably other people point it out. You know why you wear so much dark glass all night when all light gone? You have no self-confidence in your eyes. So it's not about the 2020 vision that you claim to say your ophthalmologist told you that you have. Yeah, it's not about your ophthalmologist telling you have 2020 vision. It's about you have no confidence in yourself because you know your eyes, how they look. But you continue to blame it on 3D camera. What you mean me no know? Because nobody else who don't have a problem with caca eye, for them phone have 3D too. Whatever you mean, it now have 3D too. Or your phone alone have 3D? Because these other people, them eye no show nothing. Unless them definitely have a problem with eyes. You don't have no problem with the eyes. It's your 3D camera making you look like you're looking so and you're looking so. So it's a self-confidence that you don't have why you wear so much dark glass. You try to use that to hide your eyes. If you wear clear glass like this is a bifocal glass and stuff. If you wear a clear lens glass then, people will still see your eyes. So, no matter how I love you love glasses, you will never come out here and wear a clear lens glass. You will never do that. If you do that, you're going to just do that to prove to the public. But you will never come out here and wear a clear lens glass where people can... Remember, you know, the frame of your glass fit here, you know, the shape and the frame of your glass fit your face. It's not the lens. It's the frame. So if you go out there and you see a clear lens glass and the frame fit you good, you're not going to buy that glass. Because the purpose for you to wearing dark glass is to hide your eyes that you have no confidence in. So you try to wear those dark glass to protect, you know, people, to avoid people from seeing your eyes, so them cack and cast. And then these glasses now, the frame of these glasses full up your face like you're going to do some welding work and you don't want to flash. Or you're going to go deep sea diving, yeah. And it kind of give your face a pop now when you have on these. One heap of hair on your head and this whole heap of makeup. So it kind of give you a look. Just as me say, look here a house, old people. Once you put the paint on that house, remember. And a man pass a house said 2 weeks ago and it look all machiated. You don't do nothing to it but put the paint on it and bring it up. It going to look good. Him can't believe it's the same house in past. Him I wonder what want to do to the house. And all of these little paint. And Marcia that. All Marcia need to put on a little wig, whole heap of makeup and the dark glass. And give her ugly face and makeover and she feel like she look good. She don't look good. We know Marcia ugly. We know that.
52 years old. I never go to doctor yet and fail the test.
You don't come tell nobody say you fail the test.
2020 vision. I'm going to ask God to make it remain.
You don't come tell nobody say you fail test, you know. You have to come tell nobody that. You always want to be perfect.
You tell me.
You're born perfect, always say you're not perfect.
So you tell me.
And you're going past perfect. Yeah, man. Are you that?
Can't see nothing. The man them not care nothing about you. All them care about is the pussy. All them have to do is lie down pat up on you and the dick will find that crotch. And if him can't find it, he will feel it.
No, man.
For the hole, so you tell me now.
Marcia, your crotch not hard to find. Your crotch coming like an open manual. Once you walk over it, you're going to drop in it. Your crotch not hard to find, Marcia. Your crotch coming like an open manual. Once you walk over it, you're going to drop in it. If you have to step over a manual enough, you're not dropping it, you know. But once you walk in it, you must drop in it. I saw your crotch here. Licky not hard to find your crotch. It's an open space you have.
With a big grass belly. Oh, no man find the pussy. You put it in the oh, they find it. Oh, they kissing around no good thinking about on the dentist. Eh? Oh, they go down.
So your word from Tina. Ask Tina that question. They ask your friend. Ask Tina how man kiss her. Oh, she not a man still. It have been a while she not get a man go up in her.
Yes, I can quit that crotch 25 times. And that bomber clot hard for do. That'll take over 20 years for do. And me can't quit blood.
Somebody we can ball for pain so often and back and all kind of thing.
No, me at 25, me a go. And you, let me tell you something. That's a lot of blood clot work.
Do it for the camera, Marcia. Do it for the camera. It's content, Marcia. It's content. Do it, Marcia. It's content, Marcia. Do it. Just say what you say, Marcia. We know a content this. I just say what you say.
Because of the way the camera handle, your eye them seems like they're going this way with them now go this way. When you see me in person, my eyes are not like that. Full.
Tell me if you don't see caca eye. You don't see me here go so? 3D or 4D me the pan. Look at me here go so. Or it go so. Here you come with the full story I tell people about 3D. Camera. You're born in the eye so man.
Coming from foreign and looking like a riffraff.
Just feel happy about how you look, man.
Look how Jamaica have
Don't worry about Donna.
A God church looking like a fart. In a cheap Burlington.
Anything you criticize Donna about, you can do better.
It is not for you.
Nothing where people criticize you about, you can do better. What you have to do is come show up a title for your property. What you have to do, even less than that, come show which part you live, which part you lay your head. Not the people them place where you work. And that you have to do, man. Those are the things that you're supposed to worry about. Your life and stop worrying about Donna's life. You worry about somebody's life that is clearly better off than your own. While your own are going to waste. All you think about is clothes and boots and fandangles. If you take sick tomorrow morning, your whole storage of garbage where you have can't help you. Because those are not assets. Those has no value, no resale value, nothing depend them the way you have in a storage. Think about things of substance. You get up in an age and you have a grandchild. That you have to think about.
My neck, yeah? Very long. Yes, my dear. I mean to wear it. You see how my skin nice and pretty, honey? Yes, my dear. Yes, you have to wear it. Because I never know say, yeah.
The serious that woman that learned still after we happened to her last year, winter. The serious that she learned. Right back to square one. Should ever try to improve her life. The only thing happened to her this year, what never happened to her last year, she have a job where she choose a living job, so she not have feel homeless like last year, winter. And a bounce boat and I wonder where money come from. That's the only difference. But after she claims to say God bless her in the last part of last year, I think would have see changes, but there is no changes with this woman. For a big woman.
Where you get the bumper from? Huh?
Listen now. Listen to the question that she asked now. After she says she have frock like it, you know, and it that Burlington and Rainbow. Listen to the question.
Care about the frock. What give to the woman from a little house and a period? Yeah.
Your joke stiff. Starch, your joke a starch.
Care about that bumper frock.
Your joke starch.
Look at pretty frock that she in Amazon. That the frock that come like say take it from a set of a little house and a period. Then what you doing the hair frock them?
You try look at joke, man.
They don't want to get to your Sunday. Huh?
This you call content, you know. I chase down somebody where they've not look at you. Then you say you are the big deal. And your tongue, it should have stuck. It should have stuck in your tongue.
Don't come back out here in the front. Take it up. Take it up off your face. Take it down. I make matters worse. And where you get the whole of shoes there from? How you figure wear a frock like that with a close-up shoes like that? You need a little toeless shoes. Something to bring you up. You should have wear one wedge. A wedge you have on, you should have on one wedge. Macy's have some nice wedge. Yes. You should have on one wedge. You can't manage your wedge. You can't manage like it like a bit. But you in wedge them have nice heel. You should have on a little wedge to bring up the frock. You have a flat boot. Then that way you have a flat boot.
Now your money buy.
Me not busy the boot one.
And your money buy it, you know, so you're concerned.
Look at my hole, man. You really have a buckle hole, man.
Old man with sense.
Little out of the mirror.
He's an old man with sense. He's a young girl with no sense.
Where you going there, little frock? They wouldn't even buy the frock if they're ready.
This is the owner says she have some of them frock there, you know, but she have them in the V-neck and shoulder.
And post up Joshy side of you. Where you going to post up Joshy when you get tight shop there? That is not Joshy size. That is not in size. If you tap it.
At least the woman can fly come to Jamaica, come look for her son. You can't drive cross state, go look for your grandson.
Your auntie there 2 years ago from it, your mom have diabetes. Are you grown to
Yeah,
get
man.
across?
That's why
Will you read
Romy
your
and
book?
CJ born with bad mind and God soul and envy like you. Right in your jeans.
Me did pre, but me not pre no more.
Welcome to Massachusetts.
Yeah, man.
Me did pre.
Welcome to
Yes, I
Massachusetts.
am pre no more.
Massachusetts.
Secure my rassel.
You gotta walk
Yes,
now,
me
that's
there.
your place there where you
And
walk.
big up to the Ozempic to let me lose the weight. And they take
Right
take
away,
off the
evidence
25
that
pound.
which
And
part
they
the
do
home
like
there.
a pre-diabetic.
All people have to do now is
Yes,
just
me
go search out the home them where they so. And then find which part you
Yes,
walk.
so you can't tell me.
And stalk
Yeah,
you.
up them start to sit in the way
Yeah,
and
man.
me and
Tell us that social media gonna be a downfall. Because I walk she are going on. So right away, you can find out which part all of them home you there and stalk her when you don't find the right one.
thing is this, if you're richie, and you're coming from foreign, you need to go in Ashley store, Donna. Go into Ashley and buy proper clothes put on. Go into Ashley.
From Donna, there are Jamaica she can buy proper clothes and she still buy cheap clothes. What foreign I go change her for?
I don't care if you are
What
Gucci
foreign I
don't
go change her for?
Gucci don't send no-
If that's what you have been doing over the years and look at you now, like a scavenger.
Yes, me dear, buy little dresses
A
and
company
you like
you look, you want Donna to become a scavenger like you? It not go happen. That will never happen. Continue buy where you want to buy and be a scavenger in a social media and in a real life.
Go back on the website, go buy every rass color.
Yeah, man, are you that man? That you are live fine.
Yes, me dear. Me? Come
That
here,
is
go
what
to
you are
church
living
and
for.
say, yes, me dear, me I go buy all of the colors them.
What
I
are
buy
you
all of the
living
good
for?
trinkets them, me dear. I put on my clothes them.
It's not
Me have
for
money nice
me.
expensive shoes. Me?
What
Me, I
are
go
you
buy
living
every color.
for?
Anytime me love something, me say dress just sit down for me so. Me ask him out the compliments me get. And if I'm cheap, you know.
Anyway,
I
people,
know everything I pay for the
we are come to the
I
end
know
of the
remember
video.
how much pay for that for us, but all me know say,
You don't know what to
me
do?
a go back on the website
Like, share,
and buy
subscribe, tell a
every
friend to tell a
rass
friend.
color when me reach a
Hit the
home.
thumbs up when you hit the video.
When me
Please
like
to watch the
something.
ads. Continue to support the backup channel, which is Life is a Mission TV on YouTube. Follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. And remember, go over to the website, Charms and Trends, and shop with me. Charmsandtrends.shop. It's Mother's Day coming up. Get a special gift for your mother, customize. Our picture, our name on a teacup. You know, so she can drink her favorite coffee at morning time. She'll drink it from our specialized, customized teacup with our picture and our name on it. Water bottles, tumblers, you name it. Check out the Instagram page. Charm_and_trends on Instagram. Bless up on yourself.